Bobbi Boss come through with the new girl. Whoo! Look at this, and look at all this lusciousness. As a whole girl, this got me want to go out and about and stuff out this hair, girl. Like this hair. Wait, yes.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancies, but alive within me, floating in the deep. When I grow like Bobbi Boss, and time passes, certain time perfect. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like Bobbi Boss, and time passes, certain time perfect. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like Bobbi Boss, and time passes, certain time perfect. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like Bobbi Boss, and time passes, certain time perfect. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like Bobbi Boss, and time passes, certain time perfect. They will rise all the light, down to close. When I grow like Bobbi Boss, and time passes, certain time perfect. They will rise all the light, down to close.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit, honey, and this one is from Bobbi Boss. I'm wearing this one in the style MLF244 Tania or Tania. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So y'all, this unit does come with your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come pre-plucked with baby hairs and 13x4 parting space. So let me just pop right in and show you what this hairline's looking like. I ain't mad at the hairline, honey. So the texture on this unit is definitely coming off along the lines of a medium Yaki, and I'm definitely here for it. I really love the texture on this one. The length of it is coming just to my boobs, and I'm 5'3" for reference. The density on this unit is falling along the lines of 130% to 150%. I say that because straight out of the box it was kind of more along the lines of 130%, but now that I finger combed it out a little bit, it's definitely leaning more towards 150%. So yes, honey, I am here for that. The cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. If you do have a larger size head, I would say, as always, straight on the side of caution with this one, because my head is about 21.5 inches to 22 inches. I feel like this cap has a little bit of stretch to it, but not too much. I did get a little bit of tingling and a little bit of shedding with this unit, but nothing too crazy. So this unit does say that it is heat safe. It does not say up to what degrees, but I would just stay around 350 degrees to be safe. Make sure you don't melt that hair, girl. So what I liked about this unit, as you can see, girl, this top is looking pretty flat. I didn't even add no heat, honey. I just went in with my brush and brushed that bad boy down, and I am good to go. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, it's been a long time since a Bobbi Boss unit has given me no cons, and I gotta say, like, I'm not feeling no cons. Even the snags, tingling, and shedding that I got that wasn't too excessive, I still wouldn't necessarily even count that as a con, because I just feel like this hair is so beautiful that I don't even care. Like, this is giving me sensational Adana vibes, so I feel like if you were into the sensational Adana unit, girl, this hair is giving me that. Yes, yes, yes. A little less parting space, but the lace is not as ashes like the sensational units. So let's get into the pros of this unit, honey. The curls, like I just said, right? The body, the curls, the length, the texture, the parting space, the hairline, the baby hairs. I gotta say, Bobbi Boss, like, you're coming with it. You're coming with the competition. Like, I'm liking the quality of the hair. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.